Hello and thank you for subscribing to a signal at LiveForexTrading.info. My name's Nick McDonald. This is just a quick instructional video to explain how to get set up with the trade copier. So at this point you will have subscribed through the PayPal link and you will have been sent an email with a retrieve key. Your retrieve key is about 20 characters, so I'm going to need you to copy and paste that, and then you'll need to go to simpletrader.net. The simpletrader.net is our trade copy platform, so you need to log in to access your accounts and your control panel. So I'll just log in here. Once you're logged in, I'll need you to go to your retrieve tab, paste your retrieve key in here. Your MetaTrader ID, I'm running a demonstration account here, so I'll just put that in, 35668863. Quick explanation of what these settings mean. Slippage in pips means that if the current market price needs to be within 3 pips of the master account for it to open a trade. So this means that if your account is disabled for whatever reason, if your VPS crashes or if you're running it on a computer, if your computer turns off, then it won't open a trade if it's restarted and price is moved beyond 3 pips from the current entry point. If you want to open up a trade regardless, you can increase this to 50 or 100, but I recommend leaving it at about 5. 300, leave that, that doesn't mean anything. Magic number, leave that. Copy take profit, copy stop loss, that just means that it's going to copy the fixed take profit and the fixed stop loss that is transmitted from the copier. If you click this as no, you will still be taken out of a trade if the master account stops out, or if the account closes a position, but it won't be visible to your broker if you say no. I prefer to say yes because it is a little bit of a safer option. Your money management settings here, risk multiplier of 1 means that you are matching the risk of the master account. This is very important that you understand how this works. If you hover over it, there is a quick explanation there. We have a number of signals that are particularly risky. There is a chance that you might lose a big chunk or all of your account. So it is important that you understand this. A lot of our signals are risking 5 to 25% per trade. So please take the time to make sure you fully understand how this all works. Disabled pairs, some of our signals trade a number of different pairs. If you'd like to, for example, not trade the Aussie dollar or the, what else have we got? Say the Euro Aussie, you need to hold down the control button to choose multiple pairs. So you can update that there. The currency mapping, this is really relevant if you've got a gold pair, because a lot of different brokers use different symbols for gold, so I'll let you just read through that, but it basically, yeah, it's fairly self-explanatory there. Okay, so once you've got your account set up with the correct MetaTrader number, you're going to need to go to downloads, and you're going to need to download the latest receipt. Now this is the EA that copies all of our signals, so you only need one EA to copy any of our signals. Okay, now I've just downloaded this here. I will just bring up another window so I can show you what folders you need to put this in. So go to your MetaTrader, I'll just do that a little bit slower. MetaTrader 4, you'll have something similar. I like to use a generic MetaTrader, but yeah, they've all pretty much got MetaTrader 4 listed in them. So what you need to do is you need to go to Experts folder and dump this simpletrader copier into your Experts folder. Continue. Then you need to go to your Libraries folder and you need to dump this file into your Libraries folder. Continue. And last one, include. You need to, guess what, include the file from your include folder. Continue. Alright, once that is all set up, you can go back to MetaTrader. Remember, you will need to restart MetaTrader to get these changes to take effect. So I'm restarting my MetaTrader now. Now you need to go into Expert Advisors, dump your EA onto the chart. Now this is very important that you get this right. Copy all of these boxes. So you want all the ones on the left clicked and all the sub boxes unclicked. Inputs, you can just leave that blank because this EA connects to your account number. You don't need a special license or anything like that. Click OK. Make sure Expert Advisors is on. And you'll see down at the bottom of this chart, subscription active. Now here you will see that there are actually, I'm trading areas earner here, there are 5 trades open at the moment, but because I selected 3 pips, slippage, maximum slippage, it's not going to open it. But what I'll do is I'll show you now how to adjust this so that you can guarantee yourself a open trade no matter where the price is when you first start. So I'll just pull up my account. No, sorry, you don't click edit, you click settings. Now I'll make this 100 pips and you'll see on my MetaTrader any moment these will start opening. Now you see these just have all opened because I've allowed my slippage to be much higher than the default. So what I'd recommend you do there now is go back and change this back to 3. Update. Now you should only do this if the current price is worse than when the master opened. If the master is well into profit, then you should just leave it and wait for the next trade. Okay, so now you are all up and running. If you want to go back and change any of the settings, then just jump back onto your control panel, change the money management, disable pairs, currency mapping, anything like that. Are you all set up? Any questions, please feel free to email us at support@simpletrader.net, and thank you.